Paint a little visual. Early morning.
YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. The weather is great. I have no complaints, and I hope you're all doing well. We are a few days away from the holiday that no one ever remembers, and it's a perfect time to honor a legend that coined the popular phrase "girl dad." If you don't know the holiday I'm referring to, I'm talking about Father's Day, and if you don't know the legend I'm referring to, I'm talking about the one and only Bean, Kobe Bryant. So Kobe has 4 daughters, and Nike has done an amazing job honoring Gianna, who unfortunately passed away with him a few years back, with releases like the Mambacita 6s, aka Sweet 16s, the Mambacita 4s, and the 8s. And now they're going to be honoring not only Kobe, but all 4 of his daughters with this release, the Girl Dad Kobe 4 Protro. And for someone who has historically not been a fan of the 4s, I gotta say, these are fire.
Free my dog to my dog, come on. Free Lee, till they free Lee. Stuck in bondage like poultry in a chicken coop. Offer per diem, worth residual. Whoa. My freedom is strictly spiritual. Working with negatives, Polaroid, we live in proof. What's the use? My demise, niggas wanna see. Stuck in shit, mean I gotta flee. Fake news, fake apology, shape ideology, ganja my sobriety, me and my dreams, practice monogamy, Ivy League, still reject the black face. Ain't no winners in this rap race. Speak remnant to revolution, but no time to waste, let us pray. We all grinding for better days, and they say, only miss you when you dead or you gone. Fuck accolades, haters making me strong. In misery, lost company, I just had to move on. I'm laying up with Lady Luck in the thong, nigga, it's on. Put it on the line for him. Gotta save every nickel, every dime for him.
One of the reasons why I love sneakers so much is because of great storytelling, and I think Nike did an amazing job with the storytelling in this colorway and where the inspiration for the colorway comes from, which is Kobe's outfit in his last public appearance with Gigi at a LA Sparks game. So with his outfit, he had a green Eagle Scully, he was wearing an orange WNBA hoodie and some black pants. So essentially, the bi-coastal green uppers on these Kobe 4 Protros represents that Eagle Scully, and I gotta say, not only does the suede look good, but the quality is even better. The suede is really soft. You can feel it. You can see the suede move with your finger when you rub across it. For some additional details on the toe box and parts of the medial side and the midfoot area, those areas are perforated. And then you also have more suede that's added in on the lateral and medial swooshes. And it's black suede. The suede is actually just as good as the suede that was used on the uppers, which means I gotta give Nike their credit. Really, really good job with the premium materials. As you get to the back of the sneaker on the back heel, you have Kobe's number 24 debossed into the suede, which really, really looks good. And down at the bottom, you have the eye-popping chrome heel caps, which I love. And just to add a little bit more detail, on the right foot only, on the heel cap is Kobe's signature.
Ruger hot box like a cubicle. Knock, 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 Painfield PD. Million thoughts, what they want with a G. That shit from last week, how we butchered that beef. Shit so real in my streets, niggas playing for kids. Then they tackle me quick while they running through the crib.
These Kobe 4 Protros are going to come with black flat laces in them, and the laces are sitting on top of a bi-coastal green mesh tongue. The tongue does have that snake skin design to it because he is the Black Mamba, just in case you forgot. And at the top of the tongue, Nike brought back that high quality suede material along with Kobe's logo finished in metallic silver stitching. And on the back of the tongue, the metallic silver stitching continues in cursive and says Girl Dad. Now, the inside lining of the sneaker is finished off in black mesh, and down at the bottom is the representation for that WNBA hoodie he was wearing at the LA Sparks game with the orange insoles and Kobe's logo in metallic silver.
Spiritual, working with negatives, Polaroid, we live in proof. What's the use? My demise, niggas wanna see. Stuck in shit, mean I gotta flee. Fake news, fake apology, shape ideology, ganja my sobriety, me and my
dream. Bi-coastal green color is used one last time on these 4 Protros, and that's gonna be on the midfoot of the sneaker. And then things get a little exciting again because the sneaker is finished off with this pearlized translucent outsole along with the carbon fiber plate in the midfoot area. And what I like most about the outsoles is I don't think I've ever seen a finish like this before. Yeah, I've seen translucent outsoles before, but there are times these outsoles look translucent, and then other times they just look metallic silver, and I think that is really, really good.
Meantime, one time on the ground phone, hey, hey. Free my dog till my dog come home. Free my dog till my dog come home. Oh. Free my dog till my dog.
I mentioned earlier that I've historically not been a fan of the Kobe 4s, and it's really because of the toe box. I love the way the toe box looks on the lateral side, but they do this open up thing on the medial side, and they just haven't been my cup of tea. But this colorway is fire. They've changed my perspective. And I was actually a fan of the Black Mamba Kobe 4s also, but they weren't a must-have, and once I lost every raffle possible, never went back to go get them. Funny thing is, Bryce has made sure I cannot be a girl dad, but I am a dad, and I love great storytelling. I love the dad that Kobe was to his kids and the inspiration behind this colorway, and Nike nailed it. The materials are premium. That's not something you can say often about Nike, unfortunately. The heel cap's fire, outsole, I love it. So I have to give them their credit. Kudos to Nike on checking off all the boxes, at least for me, on this particular release. So on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being trash, 5 being fire, I'm giving these a 5, hands down. Hopefully it's not because I'm being a prisoner of the moment or because I'm a new dad, but I really do love this sneaker. The retail was $190, and of course they sold out. So if you didn't cop on release day, your best bet's now going to be trade for them or go the resale route. The good news is the resale right now is not bad, at most $50 over retail. And if I were a betting man, which I am, I'm gonna bet that once more and more people get these in hand and see how great they are, the resale is gonna go up. So what I would suggest doing is, if you didn't get them, go resale right now or trade for them now before that number goes up. Just my prediction. As far as fit and comfort goes, I wore these for over an hour during the review, and they're a bit snug, but they are comfortable. And I started to feel them break in a little bit during the time that I wore them. So what I'd recommend is, if you enjoy a snug or tighter fit, go true to size. But if you do want that more loose, comfortable feel and fit to your sneaker, go up a half size. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you're notified when I got new videos coming. Action Bronson finally shipped my 1906 Rose Waters, so that video is coming soon. Also, let me know what you guys think about these, man. Hit the comments, let's chop it up. I'm out.
Free my dog till my dog come home. Oh, free my dog till my dog come home. Free Lee, till they free Lee. Hey, stuck in bondage like